Hello and welcome to this self-massage ritual to reactivate feminine energy and soften your life. Don't forget to drink plenty of water before and after this ritual, and let's start together. Just breathe in, breathe out. Allow yourself to take a moment for this transformation. And we'll start with tapping gently all over the face and collarbone, just to reactivate fascia flow before starting. So give as much pressure as you feel is okay for you. And start pushing your shoulders behind and embodying. Feminine energy is not an aesthetic. It's the natural force behind every woman you see authentically, able to carry it all with grace and joy, and wonder how they do it. It's the ability to get help, support, to receive effortlessly, without feeling diminished by it. Feminine energy is the soft power of a woman who knows she doesn't need to raise her voice or rush herself to be heard, admired, seen, respected. So embody that posture of the feminine woman, not in the way you dress or look for today, because this will be a natural manifestation of your inner energy later. But for now, just learn how to embody that energy and that force that is already within you by just your posture, your feeling, your energy. And so often when you feel stuck and you think you need to rush or discipline or do more or hard work, it is actually the missing link with your own energy that is lacking. And that's why the more you do, the more you frustrate yourself. Because that's not the way. That's just you trying to imitate how a man would do it. Because no one told us that there is also the way a woman would do it. That is as valuable. Your soul is crying for softness and slowness and creativity and peacefulness and abundance and love, which the feminine energy naturally holds. But you need to allow it. You need to allow yourself to do things differently. And it's not always as easy as it seems. And the ego will show a lot of resistance. Because the ego wants familiarity more than it wants success or happiness or love. And maybe asking for help or receiving or not doing or slowing down is not familiar for you. Maybe you didn't get any model growing up of a woman being seen, heard, respected, admired through that energy. But you have the opportunity to become that woman and that model for other women around you. Don't forget to continuously breathe in and out to really embody and be in the present moment. Realign everything. Relax the nervous system. Reactivate your true inner energy. Feminine energy is not something that you need to understand, mentalize. Not something that you need to make exercises about. Journaling and all of that. It would be crazy to pursue with more discipline the feminine energy who ask you to let go of discipline for a while. Accept this beautiful chaos inside of you. And understand that it is already inside of you. It is your natural birth force as a woman. You could not have been created without that. It is not something that you miss. It is not something that you lack. It is not something, even as me, born with 3 brothers, a very boyish mom, surrounded by a masculine energy, even in my case, it is not something that is lacking or missing. It is something that I need to remember because it was already there from the beginning. Inside of you, inherently part of you. So at the same time as you touch your face and realign and feel your skin, your energy, your presence, and be in the moment, just ask yourself to remember and to allow. Even if it feels unfamiliar, even if it feels like it's not you yet. You're intelligent and aware and profound and creative, but you're also able to be at the same time beautiful and feminine and superficial in the best ways, as in light and playful. Allow yourself to explore that part of you too. To reconnect all the parts of you without a need for opposition or separation. It's not this or that. You're not intelligent or beautiful. You're not profound or superficial. You get to be everything. Feel yourself embodying that version of you who holds every identity in harmony with a strong feminine energy that doesn't need to fake or play dress up. feel yourself embodying and try to really picture every detail. What do you look like in that energy? What's different about you? Observe, feel, let your mind project naturally. And then try to enter fully the suit of that version. You are not remodeling your face to be someone else. You are remodeling to go back to who you really are from the beginning. Removing all the layers of stuck emotions, beliefs, conditionings, physical deformations of what you thought you needed to be in order to be heard, seen, respected, admired, or whatever. You deserve easy. You deserve femininity. So just close your eyes for a moment there. Take a moment with yourself. And keep picturing being in the suit of that version of you. Feel the energy you naturally project around you. Remember. And hold that feeling for a moment. Amazing. Now you can slowly open your eyes. Come back to yourself. I'm so proud of you. I hope it really helped. Don't hesitate to do as many times as you need. Every day if you want, if it feels good to you. Once again, drink plenty of water after this massage. And babe, I love you. You got this. See you in the next one. Bye.